Even
Zobaczył populację.
Dinadala ko ulit sa
Boris, you must play outside.
Hey, can we play with you? Can we play with you? You against us, okay? Go!
Something very bad that is happening right now is, for example, in Belgium, is that we have a lot of pointless violence caused by really, really young people, and we think that's caused by many factors, and we think one of the main factors is that young children are looking too much at violence at TV, playing violent video games, and they're getting used to violence, and they don't see that it's really, really bad. So what we would like to do from this, it's also a little bit of an addiction, because children don't want to play normal games or watch normal films, they only want to see violent things. So nowadays there is like an age, a minimum age for violent games or violent movies, but the problem is that the parents don't care, and children play violent games from a very young age. What we would propose to do is like shop owners that rent games and sell games, to have more to control them more, and if we catch them that they sell to younger people, first they get a very, very high fine, and if we catch them for